Parrots in India are stealing drugs. This incident takes place in the state of Madhya Pradesh, where licensed farmers grow opium for medical purposes, like pain relief in critical conditions. But opium does one more thing. It gets you high. Very, very high. So much so that the parrots are seen crashing in the trees or just straight up passing out. As hilarious the situation is, the farmers are facing huge losses because the parrots are consuming the opium plant 30 to 40 times a day. The farmers have tried blasting music using firecrackers, but nothing seems to work. In fact, once the birds knew farmers started coming, they learned how to fly quietly. And if that wasn't enough, they started flying away with the whole plant itself.